Moses had to exile for 40 years in the wilderness of Midian, to lay anew the foundation of faith. Just as a foundation must be laid before we can receive the Messiah, a foundation had to be laid before the Israelites could build and exalt the tabernacle, the symbolic representation of the Messiah. From that moment, Moses began fasting and praying for 40 days and 40 nights. The Israelites should have faithfully obeyed Moses, but instead, they fell into faithlessness and worshipped the golden calf. Consequently, the foundation of substance for the tabernacle was not established. Moses had to fast 40 more days, before he could obtain the tablets with the 10 commandments. This time, the Israelites faithfully waited for Moses to return. But they complained about their hardships, and murmur against Moses. Thus, the second foundation for the tabernacle was invaded by Satan. The Israelites were given a 40-day mission to spy out the land of Canaan. When they returned, all the spies except Joshua and Caleb presented faithless reports. The Israelites again murmured against Moses. They called for another leader. As a result of their lack of faith, the third foundation for the tabernacle ended in failure.